Welcome back, friends, to Average Joe's Barbecue. On today's episode, we're going to be doing a smoked mac and cheese. This is the perfect fall meal, perfect side for Thanksgiving, Christmas. Stay tuned. Welcome back, friends. Let's go ahead and get started. This is very simple to do, just takes a few key ingredients. Let's get going. So first, I have a one box, 16 ounces of elbow macaroni. Now, you can use any kind of pasta you like. I prefer to use elbow macaroni with mine and this particular recipe, but feel free to use whatever you want. I also have a pound of bacon that I've already prepped. Now, I've smoked this already. If you need some guidance on how to smoke bacon, I have another video on that. Be sure to check that out. But I went ahead and did that ahead of time. Here I have my cheese sauce. Now, what I've done here is I started with one stick of butter, and then I added two cups of Colby, 2 cups of cheddar, 2 cups of mozzarella, and a brick of cream cheese. And I slowly simmered that, got it all together, and so it was nice and creamy texture. I then went ahead and added a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of pepper, and 3 teaspoons of smoked paprika. And that's it. Super simple. So let's go ahead and get this put together. So you want to go ahead and take my macaroni. And make a mess on the table. I'm going to take my cream cheese sauce. Take a look at that. See how creamy that is? This is absolutely amazing. Just pour it over. Make sure you get all of it on the pan. Don't lose any of that goodness. Then we're going to add our bacon. Now I'm going to reserve a little bit of the bacon for the very end. It's fall, folks. And for the topping. But we're going to put most of it in now. We just kind of fold that in on each other. So you get it all nice and mixed together. Already. Alright. Once you kind of have it all mixed together, just kind of even it out a little bit. And folks, that's as simple as it is. So let's go ahead and get this on the grill. I'll see you in a minute. Welcome back, friends. We're here at the Grilla Grills Silverback today. We're running it at about 250 degrees and we're using hickory colors. This is going to take probably about an hour. Everything's already cooked. You're essentially just giving the mac and cheese time to get some exposure to some of that good smoke, and that's really all it is. So let's go ahead and get it on the grill. So that's going to run for about an hour. Now we're going to come back in about 20 minutes and check it. And about every 20 minutes in the duration of that hour, I'm going to be stirring it. I want to give all of it as much chance as possible to get exposure to smoke. So that's the purpose for stirring it. But let's go ahead and let that run for 20 minutes and I'll bring you back. Welcome back, friends. It's been about 20 minutes. Let's give this a check. Pretty close up on that. Still good already. So let's give this a stir. Going to go ahead and let that run for 40 more minutes. We're going to stir every 20, so 2 more times. I'll bring you back for the reveal. Stay tuned. Welcome back. So it's been about an hour. I went ahead and got this pulled. Now it's time for the taste test. Come on in. This smells so good. And looks really good too. Alright, we'll go ahead and give this a taste. Cheers, folks. That is really good. Oh my. The smokiness of the bacon. And then the shells themselves. This is amazing. Folks, this was really easy to do. And guaranteed to be a crowd pleaser. If you like what you saw here today, hit like and subscribe. Otherwise, folks, I'll see you next time. Take care.
Thanks. That's a horrible shot. You're gonna be a leg in it.